Hey guys, Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope you guys are all well. Hope you've had a great weekend. So we'll go straight over to the 15-minute DMT Bitcoin chart on Bitmex. And as we can see, we're still stair-stepping this market up. Still looking strong. I think I did say in yesterday's video that we were basically looking at a measured move up to 10,200, which is pretty much up to where we got to. And then yeah, it looks like we obviously tested back down to 10,000, but we are going to have, if we look over here, we're going to have on the CMEs, when they open, if we open up anywhere where we are now, we are going to have a gap. So I mean, potentially looking to put some orders in, not for my bot account, but for my main account of some orders around this level to buy, to see whether we get a wick down there, and then obviously we can manage the risk pretty easily by having some stops under 9,700. So we're only going to risk $100 maybe on a wick down and see if we can get some good fills there. So that's that. So yeah, sell wise, I mean, sell wise, we'll be DMT will be looking, if we close down under 9,900 at the moment, we'll be looking at a sell, and I would assume by tomorrow morning, if we've not got down there, this would have stair-stepped its way up a bit, edging towards 10,000. So we could be getting a 15-minute DMT sell, and we could be getting a bit of a retrace back in Bitcoin. So obviously I'll keep you updated. There's no trades so far on the bot account. Bot's still active. No trades here. So yeah, we're just gonna monitor that, and then see what happens next week. I think next week could be a big week for Bitcoin, back above that psychological 10,000 five figures. So might start to get some more attention. We obviously, not obviously, but we are looking like we are definitely in an uptrend again, which could get some people back into play, get some capital back into here. And altcoins look like they're doing pretty good too. So yeah, we could be starting the bull run here. So yeah, that's looking good to me. So so gonna be looking to get some good trades on this week. Maybe we'll get a sell, a bit of a retrace, test some support, maybe even as low as like this 9,500 area. I think that would be a good area to wick down to maybe trade down a bit, wick down, and get a solid bounce back up, make our way back over 10k, and then I think we're onwards and upwards to 12k then. But yeah, I'm definitely hoping that we are starting at the 2020 bull run. We can get to 20k and beyond. Hopefully. Well, I don't know how you look at it. I mean, if we just step our way up, nice and, well, not organically, but in a way that's sustainable, so sustainably, then that may be better than just getting a massive blow off top. But you know how markets are. They trade upwards, and they trade upwards at a steeper angle, and then a steeper angle, and then at the end they go vertical like Tesla did. And obviously you can't maintain a vertical trajectory for any period of time, usually not even any period of days. So hopefully we can build up to the 20k, and then we can start making some really big green candles. So this will hopefully be good for us if that's what can happen. So here's to hoping. The trend is your friend. So remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Always consult a financial advisor if you're going to make any big investments. Remember, trading especially in investing is risky, so only trade or invest with money that you can risk to lose, and do so responsibly. Thanks for listening, guys, and I look forward to a good week ahead of trading.